The most important aspect to pay attention to when attaching the solar panel is the direction in which it is facing. Ideally, the panel will be directed south and towards an open hole in the canopy to maximize sun exposure, allowing the battery to stay charged. The solar panel is attached to the 3/4 inch pipe using the U-bolt. Twist on the 2 nuts that will secure the U-bolt to the solar panel bracket, and then tighten using the 7/16 inch wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten the U-bolt. Part of the hardware is aluminum and can bend easily. After you've made your final adjustments to the solar panel, go ahead and put on the 3/4 inch galvanized cap. Connect the solar panel wires. Be sure to push through the indentation in the waterproof gasket to make sure the connection is tight and sealed. For your final adjustments, you will need a pair of snips, your retaining pin, and a padlock for the Pelican case. Cut long zip ties and tap sharp edges down with the back of the snips. Line up the pre-drilled holes on the gray PVC and in the rebar and slide the retaining pin through and interlock it. Finally, take a strategic pause. Did you turn the power on to the board? Did you clean up after yourself? Did you forget any tools? Did you fill out your forms completely? And if it's a live feed, did you check online to see if it's viable? Yes, that's great. Happy monitoring and thank you.